Hello everyone, this is Madhavi, working as an assistant professor in chemistry from HLS department in WITS College. Welcome to WITS Connect. Okay, and third unit is acids and bases. Okay, this is the third unit. Is the first unit is the fundamental of chemistry, and second one is the solutions and colloids. Okay, third chapter is acids and bases. Okay, this is the acids and bases. Is a what is acid, what is base, and theories of acids and bases, pH. Okay, and next one is the three theories is Arrhenius theory, Bronister-Lowry theory, and Lewis theory. Okay, these three theories is very important. Okay, now I will discuss about the properties of acids and properties of bases. Very important. Okay, it's a 5 marks questions. The acids, properties of the acids and properties of base. First one is the acid properties. Okay, these acid properties is the acid is turns in the blue litmus to red litmus, blue color to red color. Okay, they turn, the acid turn is a blue litmus to red litmus. Okay, this is the for example is a blue litmus paper. This blue litmus paper is apply the acid. The blue litmus is turned to the red litmus. Okay, this is the first property. And the next one is so to this taste is the so to taste. Okay, the acid taste is the so to taste. And next one is these acids is liberated of the hydrogen gas and react with the active metals. The active metals like a sodium, potassium, magnesium. This is the active metals. Okay, these hydrogen gas is liberated in the sodium, potassium, magnesium. This is the active metals. These liberated of the hydrogen gas. For example, this is the acid 2HCl. Okay, this hydrochloric acid is react with magnesium to form a magnesium dichloride plus hydrogen gas is liberated. Okay, this is the 2 moles of this is the 2HCl. This is the 2HCl is the 2 hydrogens, 2 chlorics. Okay, this is the only magnesium one. This is the magnesium and chlorine Cl2, and this is the hydrogen gas. This is the balancing. Equation is balancing. Okay, acids liberated on the hydrogen gas and react with active metals. Active metals like a sodium, magnesium, potassium. This is the active metals. Okay, acid liberated in the hydrogen gas is the another property. And the next one is the last property is the liberated of this carbon dioxide gas also. Okay, this carbon dioxide gas is reaction with carbonates and bicarbonates. HCO3 and CO3. This is the bicarbonate. This is the carbonate. For example, Na2CO3. This is the sodium carbonate. Na2CO3. This Na2CO3 is react with hydrochloric acid to form a NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Okay, this is a 2Na2CO3 plus 2HCl gives rise to NaCl. This is the salt and water. This is the gas. Carbon dioxide gas is releases. Okay, this is the acid property. And next one is the acid is the good conductors in electricity in aqueous solutions. Okay, this acid is the good conductors. Conductor means the passing through the electricity is called conductor. Okay, this is the good conductors in aqueous solutions also. These is acid properties. And the last one is the acid property is the acid reacts with base to form a salt and water. That is called the neutralization. This is a very important. Okay, this is the acid. Acid react with base to form a salt and water. This is the NaCl, salt and water. Okay, this is called neutralization. Okay, this is the acid properties. Okay, and the next one is these are first acid properties. The acid is the blue litmus to red litmus, so to taste, good conductors, and next one is it is a liberated in the hydrogen gas and react with active metals. And next one is it is a carbon dioxide is liberated, reaction with carbonates and bicarbonates and neutralizations. This is the acid properties. And next one is the properties of base. Okay, these properties of base is the first property is the red litmus to blue litmus. Okay, red litmus to the blue litmus. For example, this is the red litmus paper. First we have take the red litmus paper. They apply the base. For example, base is the NaOH, MgOH2, CaOH2, NH4OH. This is the apply the red litmus paper to turn the red color to blue color. Okay, and the next one is the taste is the bitter to taste. Okay, and next one they are soapy to touch, and they are good conductors, and same neutralization process also. Base react with NaOH is base. Okay, HCl is acid. Okay, to form NaCl plus H2O. This is the salt and water. This is the base react with acid to form a salt and water. That is called the neutralization process. Okay, and next one is the Arrhenius theory of acids and bases. Acid bases is the three theories. First one is the Arrhenius acids and bases theory, and second one is the Brewster-Lowry theory, and third one is the Lewis acids and bases theory. Next, there is a Arrhenius, discuss about the Arrhenius theory of acids and bases. Okay, this is the what is acid, what is base, what is salt. Okay, this is the first one is the acid. Okay, Arrhenius acid means a substance. Okay, a substance contain H plus ions and ionizes in aqueous solutions to give a hydrogen ions. To give a hydrogen ions is called acid. Okay, any substance, this is a substance which gives the H plus ions. It contains the hydrogen ions is called acid. For example, hydrochloric acid HCl, HNO3, and next one is a CH3COOH, H2SO4, H3PO4. Okay, this is the weak acid. Okay, CH3COOH. This is the CH3COO minus plus H plus ion. This is the acid. Okay, this is the this is acid. This is the weak acid. Examples is the HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, H3PO4, and CH3COOH. This is a substance contained in the hydrogen ions in ionizes to aqueous solution to give a H plus ions is called acid. For example, this is hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid, and acetic acid. Okay, and the next one is the base. Okay, this the base definition is the base is the substance that ionizes in water which producing in the hydroxyl ions. Hydroxyl ions means OH minus ions. Okay, which contain the OH minus ions is called base. For example, NaOH, KOH, or MgOH2, or CaOH2, or NH4OH. This is another examples. Okay, base is a substance that ionizes in water which producing in the OH minus ions or hydroxyl ions is called base. Okay, and the next one is the salt. Okay, this is salt means a substance can either give H plus or OH minus ions. H plus or OH minus ions in aqueous solutions in primary ionizations is called salt. Okay, for example, NaCl, KNO3, K2SO4. Okay, next one is the strength of acids and bases. Okay, the strength of acids and bases. This is the strength of acids and bases. This concept is rate of ionizations and equilibrium. Equilibrium means equality of weights. Okay, it's the equality of weight. Okay, the equilibrium of constant Ka. Okay, the equilibrium constant of Ka acids is Ka equal to concentration of H plus ions and concentration of X means any groups, halogen groups. Okay, by concentration of Hx. Okay, this is the equality of the equilibrium constant Ka. This is the rate of ionizations. Okay, Ka equal to concentration of H plus ions, concentration of X minus by concentration of Hx. Okay, this is the rate of equilibrium constant, and same equilibrium constant is the Kb equal to concentration of N plus and concentration of OH minus ions by concentration of MOH. Okay, this is the strength of acids and bases. Okay, these are Arrhenius acids in the strong acid, weak acid, strong base, and weak base. Okay, so what is strong acid? the acid which dissociated, okay, the acid which dissociated means is the separation. For example, H plus ions and chlorine minus ion. This is the dissociation. Okay, the strong acid is the substance is a dissociated. The acid substance is a dissociated in the large extent and produce the large number of H plus ions in aqueous solutions is called strong acid. Okay, this strong acid is the Ka. Ka is the strength of acid. The strength of acid is very high. Okay, this is for example HCl, H2SO4, nitric acid is the strong acids. Okay, these are strong acids. The strong acid is the large extent and large number of H plus ions is produced. Okay, that is called the strong acid and Ka is very high. Okay, HCl, H2SO4 and HNO3 is the strong acids. Okay, and the next one is the weak acid. Okay, the weak acid is the acid is a substance which dissociated in the small extent. The small extent is the which produce the few number of H plus ions. The few number of H plus ions. Okay, the small number of H plus ions is in aqueous solutions is called weak base. Small extent which produce the few number of H plus ions is called the weak acid. The Ka is very low. Okay, and examples is the acetic acid and phosphoric acid. Okay, and the next one is strong base. Okay, this strong base is a base which is dissociated in the large extent which produce the large number of OH minus ions. Large extent which produce the large number of OH minus ions, the hydroxyl. Okay, is called the strong base. Okay, this strong base is Kb is very high. Okay, examples is sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide is the strong bases. NaOH and KOH. Okay, this the base is the which dissociates in the large extent and large number of which gives the large number of OH minus ions is called strong base. Okay, and this is the Kb. Kb is the strength of acid. The strength of acid is very high. Okay, and the next one is the weak base. Okay, this weak base is the smaller extent, the substance which is dissociated in the smaller extent which produce the few number of OH minus ions. The few number of OH minus ions is called weak base. Examples is the NH4OH, MgOH2. The Kb is very low. Okay, this is the strong acid, weak acid, strong base, weak base. Okay, this is the last one is the limitations of Arrhenius theory. Okay, this is the limitation. These limitation is the first limitation is this theory is applicable to aqueous solutions only. Okay, this theory is applicable to only aqueous solutions. Aqueous solution means in water. Okay, this theory is applicable to aqueous solution only. Okay, this is the first limitation. And second limitation is he failed to explain acidic character of CO2, SO2, N2O5. Acidic character means this is the acidic characters is the blue litmus to red litmus. Okay, so to taste he could not explain CO2, SO2 and N2O5. Okay, he failed to explain acidic character of CO2, SO2, N2O5. Okay, and it failed to explain the basic character of NH3 and calcium hydroxide. Calcium oxides, okay, CaO. Okay, he failed to explain the basic characters. And last limitation is the hydration of the hydrogen ion in water was not explained by this theory. Hydration of hydrogen ions. The hydration of hydrogen ion in water. Okay, water is the H2O. Okay, this the hydration is the H plus ions and OH minus ion dissociation is called hydration. Water was not explained by this theory.